Hello everybody, this is Mike Prey with Keller Williams Realty. This is your June 2025 update, or at least through June 2025. I want to talk a little bit today about why it's time to buy a house or to go ahead and take that move up. I'm going to give you a few market statistics here to kind of give you an idea of what's going on. Homes closed in June were down about 3.9%. For the year, they were down 8.75%. The months of inventory was down just a little bit. It was at 3.86 months. Last year it was 3.94 months. So there's a little less inventory on the market. We don't know if that's a trend or as a result of activity in May and June. Days on market was down just a little bit, 7 days month over month, at 37 days on the market. For the year, however, it was up year over year. It was up 8 days over last year. The total available inventory was down about 1.18%, which isn't a ton, but it's a little bit. So the inventory is a little bit less than it has been. The median sales price was flat month over month, ending the month of June at $395,000, as compared to $437,500 at the end of the year last year. So it's off about almost 10% from this time last year. The interest rate was down slightly, ended the month down slightly at 0.12. It was at 6.77%. For the year, it was down 0.09 at 6.86%. I'm doing this video in about the middle of July. The interest rate today was a nationwide average on a 30-year fixed conventional mortgage was 6.82%. So it keeps bouncing around between about 6.7 and 6.86. It did get down to 6.3 something at one point, but went back up. And there was a noticeable difference in activity while it was that low for the short period that it was that low. But so what I wanted to share is that, people are wondering, is it time to buy? Well, one thing that I want to just reiterate, I've said this before, but whether you're buying a new home or considering moving up, selling your current home and making a move up, or even downsizing, the market that you're doing that in, if you're selling a home and planning to buy a home, the market activity or market action is going to affect both of those transactions the same. So if prices are going down, trending down, which they are right now, they're flat to going down, and we're seeing homes taking price reductions as far as what they're listed at to get into the market of the moment, if you will. So if you're selling your home, you're probably not going to get as much money out of it as you would have 2 years ago. But if you're buying a home, you're going to be able to take advantage of some of the market factors that are happening right now, including reduced price. And so it really becomes apples to apples. And so a lot of people would like to sell high and buy low. You can do that if you have the means or a plan to sell your home when the prices are high and then wait until prices might go lower. The challenge with that is the overall trend in real estate is for prices to continue to increase over time. But anyway, So what's going on in our market right now, what's trending in our market right now is that prices are softening and inventory is high. Days on market is a little bit higher than it was last year. And what we're seeing in the market is that people who are either selling pre-owned homes or builders who are selling brand new homes are giving price reductions and other concessions to stimulate or make a way for buyers to buy these homes. We helped a couple, for example, buy their first home. They're under contract in their first home. It's a new build. They got about, I want to say, $13,000 off the price of the home. The builder contributed to a permanent buy down on the interest rate, so their interest rate was 4.25%. And in addition to that, they had some closing cost concessions of about $12,000. So they got to buy a really nice home, brand new home, and their payments were in the area where they wanted them to be, and they got a 4.25 interest rate. So those are some of the things that are happening in new builds, and incidentally, I can help you with that process. The same is true of pre-owned homes. We're seeing price reductions. We're seeing concessions for closing costs or other, buying down interest rate, either a permanent buy down or a 2-1 buy down. Those are some things that we're seeing in the pre-owned market. So it really is time to buy. If you're looking to buy, you can adjust the interest rate through concessions or get a price reduction that is in line with what the market is doing right now. And so anyway, a lot of people are waiting to see what's going to go on and waiting to see what's happening. And I just wanted to give you that perspective on, why it's a good time to go in and step in and make that purchase or sell your existing home. If you're planning to sell your existing home and either move up or move down, you want to prepare to have your home be on the market longer than what we were seeing a year ago or 2 years ago. And so there's a little bit of patience associated with that. But what that does on the buy side is, have the sellers a little more flexible in either price or concessions to help you buy when you buy your move up home or your downsize home. Anyway, we'll continue to follow these trends and I'll continue to report on them to you. That's our market update through June. I hope you're having a wonderful summer. If you'd like to know or get any information about what might be possible for your home, what's happening in your neighborhood, where you might find those opportunities to purchase and receive those concessions, feel free to reach out to me. You can call me at 469-446-0234. You can email me at mikepray2@gmail.com. If you're seeing this on social media, you can message me or communicate with me, ask any questions you like to, and I'd be glad to connect with you and help you in any way that I can. Once again, I hope you have a great summer, and I look forward to talking to you next month. Bye-bye.